So today we will see the De Morgan's theorem. So what is De Morgan's first theorem? De Morgan's a logician and mathematician proposed two theorems which are important parts of Boolean algebra. De Morgan's first theorem is A bar B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, or AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. The complement of product is equal to the sum of the complements. The complement of the two or more variables ANDed is the same as the OR of the complement of each individual variables. So this is the gate, NAND gate, to which two inputs A and B is given. So AB bar is the output. It can be replaced by the OR gate with A bar, B bar, and output is A plus B. A bar plus B bar, sorry. So it can also be constructed with AND or NOT gate as follows. Okay. So this is the way. Now we will see the truth table of this. So in truth table we have to prove the inputs is equal to output. So De Morgan's first theorem, input AB 00011011 is taken. Intermediate state A into B, A bar and B bar. So I have taken NAND and output, then A bar and B bar output. Then output is A into B bar and A bar plus B bar. So that are same. Now we will see. So thus we can see that it is proved. De Morgan's first theorem is proved. What is De Morgan's first theorem? A into B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So that theorem is proved. The complement of the sum of second theorem is what? The complement of the sum is equal to the product of the complements. So it can be expressed as A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So A plus B bar, A into B is equal to AB, A into B, A bar into B bar. So using AND or NOT gate, the circuit can be drawn as like this. So you will get A into B, or gate is the input, so output is A plus B, and then NOT gate is connected, so it will become A plus B bar. Okay, so this is equivalent to this circuit. Now we can prove the De Morgan's theorem using second theorem using a truth tables. So input, intermediate value and output. So AB is 00011011. So A plus B is 0111, A bar is 1100, B bar is 1010. So output is A plus B bar, so 1000, A bar into B bar is 1000. Now consider the NAND operation of three variables. ABC is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar, and A bar plus B plus C bar is A bar into B bar into C. For if you increase the number of variables, you will get the different values. Now application of De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan theorem can be used for simplifying the logic function. So simplifying the following logic function, you will get A plus B bar plus C bar is equal to A plus B bar bar into C bar bar. So A plus B into C, so A plus B into C. So A bar plus B plus C bar D bar is equal to this. You can express in this way. So you can apply the De Morgan's theorem and you will get the different things. Now what is universal gate? NAND and NOR are universal gates. So NOT and OR, using this you can, these are the symbols. These are the NAND and NOR gates. Using, you can have a different gates. So NAND and NOR gates have universal property and can be used for performing AND or NOT functions. So AND or NOT logic circuit can be converted to NAND and NOR logic. So NAND and NOT, NAND as NOT, Y is equal to A bar, then NAND as NOT gate, then NAND as AND gate, then NAND as OR gate. In this way you can have a different thing. Then NOR as NOT gate, NOR as AND gate, NOR as AND gate. So in this way you can have a different gates using a NAND and NOR gate. That way they are known as a universal gate. So thank you. Today we will stop here. So today Boolean algebra De Morgan's theorem is over. Okay.